we have a new part. It's a female adapter. Instead of having the male adapter that goes inside corrugated, we have a female adapter that goes outside of corrugated. You can see how we have our single wall high octane armor pipe connected, and then we have a thin wall piece of PVC. So this PVC slides up into this portion of the coupler. Now Schedule 40 slides in the outside ring, the thicker PVC, which I have right here. We have the Industrial Plus 4-inch Schedule 40. Look at that. Beautiful fit. I drilled 2 holes. I just push the fasteners in, done. If you want to glue that beforehand and then drill the holes, put the fasteners in. Or if you want to go ahead and pre-drill it, glue it, put it on, line it up, put the fasteners in, tape it. I know guys that'll do everything. They just want the strongest connection possible, and they're doing everything they can to keep the tree roots out. So now this part right here, this is better for dual wall. This here wasn't so good for dual wall. It was a good coupler, gave us a good connection, but it didn't grab anything on dual wall because dual wall is smooth. So these barbs can't grab the pipe at all. So you definitely have to tape it on really good. Now with the female adapter, this smooth wall, dual wall, smooth on the inside, corrugated on the outside. We're going to grab this pipe on the outside. Basically, this is going to give us an amazing hold. This is the strongest connection, PVC thin wall or thick wall, to dual wall corrugated pipe. We now have a female adapter and the male adapter. All right, everybody, until that next video.